Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to Rates of Royalty. How you doing? How you doing? I can't hear you. How you doing? I'm doing just fine.
Started to sort of kind of date. Y'all actually dating.
So we're gonna make my midnight snack. Although it's
But you did say that about DJ. You said
So,
we're just friends. We're never gonna date. What happens? Okay.
y'all dated.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And you thought we were wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Tell my son, her, and DJ were gonna date. But what happened? Oh, okay. What I thought. Oh, okay. I bet they do.
Okay, so first we have the strawberries. So we're gonna wash them because you need to. Just know that you need to wash your strawberries before you use them. Before you use your strawberries, always wash them.
It's DJ. DJ had a lot of connections since 5th grade. You never know. Like, he can bring up random people and you don't even know.
Okay.
And be like, I met him outside of school.
No. Okay, so we're gonna wash this one off because the floor is clean, but we're still gonna wash it off just so we don't get germs.
DJ played a lot of sports. I'll say because DJ played. Because he played both of them, and he played them in elementary school also. He did another sport I just can't think of it. Because it's in our yearbook. It's in one of my elementary school yearbooks. But I don't know where they at, so.
Okay. So here's the strawberry. Wait, where did it go? Okay, here it is. We got a different one because yeah.
Yes, it is.
So to do this, you
It
will
was great. It was great.
Hold on, guys.
It's what? It's what?
Okay, so I got chocolate syrup.
This is a really big word. I had no meaning.
Oh, let's go get the syringe. Okay, so we've got the syringe. I need to. Okay. So first, pour your chocolate syrup in the little bowl. You
That's
just
what I should
however
ask for
much
today.
you want.
I
What?
had McDonald's.
What should it
We
be?
asked for McDonald's. We should got Sonic.
Mom was not gonna go there.
Mom was gonna go to Sonic if I told her.
Okay,
Or I could tell her Chick-fil-A because we're out here. What? I said what, and then he started talking.
Kendall, for the first time ever, I agree with you. Okay, so take the syringe and you stick it in the strawberry. Make sure it does not get on the other side.
I
And you
ate,
just
and then, but I had McDonald's, but I
syringe.
need my fries because my mom was rushing me out the car. We were just trying to go shopping before summer pop. Christian, what were you gonna tell me?
There you go. Chocolate strawberry. Well, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go eat some noodles now.
It's really heavy. I do not want to carry this around school.
You gotta carry it around school. You can't just. Do y'all have lockers? Y'all have lockers?
Yeah.
You can't just put it in your locker?
It's not gonna fit in my locker.
You can't put it sideways in your locker?
No. I mean, we have cause I have to carry this all around school. Because like we have to do that, and all my stuff lockers in here.
Hey, hey.
My jacket.
At least you have lockers. At least you have one.
Y'all don't have lockers a year?
No.
That's up. But no, if we get a locker, it's like $5. You gotta pay for it.
It costs money for a locker.
Mm-hmm.
That's stupid.
Hey, hold up, Kelly. What is up with these pants I'm talking about TV?
These what?
Okay.
What's up with the what?
Nothing.
You were asking me while I was playing Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
Cause we listened to Bad Romance and that's just what came on after it. Okay.
I do too.
Later,
I've done that once.
I'm going to do frozen honey trend, but I'm gonna try the frozen honey trend with something because yesterday I tried it with syrup and it did not work. So we're gonna try it with something different. But I have to have some time to drink the water because I don't waste water. So I'm not, and we don't have any things like
I cannot be on somebody's grave.
we don't have
You
any
should've
small
seen it.
water bottles.
Me and Kayla went to the center of my mom. And every time we walk on by a person's grave or on top of it, I would say, "Excuse me, I'm sorry."
Yes, you would, and they would be
I
pretty
did not do that. I was sorry. I mean, I'm sorry for walking on your grave. They was looking for a grave thingy, gravestone, that. And excuse me, sorry.
Madison Michael added to their story. Really, Madison added.
Kayla was laughing at me.
Okay, but let me tell you this.
No,
When Bella was peeing on the grave, did you say sorry? That's Christian. That's long neck. And big nose.
I know how to shoot a gun.
You want a treat?
I've been looking for this. Looking for what? Looking for my schedule.
Okay, guys, so
My schedule.
I'll start the video over
I've been
again.
looking for this forever. I didn't know where I put it. I thought I left it.
I'll start another video when I do the frozen honey trend. But right now, I'm gonna eat some noodles and yeah. Bye, guys. Reese's out.